how to set up business email in Google Workspace. So if you want more tutorials like this, click that subscribe button and that bell icon on for more updates and tutorials like this one. So just go onto your Google account or your Google and go to Google Workspace so you can start with your business emails and other stuff that has Google has to offer. So we have here on products, we have Gmail, Drive, and Docs and other meets. And if we go to pricing, we have here business standard or business starter. So it's your choice if you want the business standard or the business starter. So in the tutorial, I am going to show you the business starter. So just get started. And you can put on your business name here. So I'll just put on sample and just you and start. And then you can add your first name and last name and your current email address. So once you have put on your current email address, or any email address will work as well, click on next. Do you have a business domain? Yes. So what's your business domain? Just have a sample right here. So I'll be putting in sample.inc. And use this domain to set up for the account. Yes. Stay up to date. Okay. And also educate your users. So how you'll sign in. So you can also put on your domain here. So it would be easier for you to remember. Or you can also put another one for your username. And it's your choice. And just click on here and input your password. I am not a robot. So if you have done all of these things, so if you have a password right here, just for the sample, so agree and continue. So in this way, if you have put on your password, your username, and verify yourself, if you're not a robot, just click on it and agree and continue, and then you will have your business email account for Google Workspace to be done. So that's it for this tutorial, guys. I hope this is clear to you and very helpful as well, and I hope to see you on the next video.